Welcome back to the Senior Strength Show. Today, we're diving straight into something truly game-changing. If you're over 60 and struggling with dull, sagging, or tired-looking skin, listen closely. A simple ingredient you already have in your kitchen, baking soda, could be the secret to restoring your glow, tightening your skin, and even boosting your confidence starting today. No fluff, no gimmicks, just a method perfected by Japan's oldest dermatologist. He's 102 years old with skin that could pass for 60. And in this episode, he'll share exactly how baking soda, when used the right way, can turn back the clock on aging skin safely, naturally, and affordably. Doctor, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. What I'm going to share today challenges everything the beauty industry wants you to believe about expensive anti-aging products. The truth is, one of the most powerful skin restoration ingredients has been sitting in your kitchen all along.
Doctor, we've all heard about expensive serums, collagen creams, and laser treatments, but you're telling us baking soda, something in every kitchen, can actually reverse skin aging after 60. How does that even work? Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is nature's perfect skin restorer for people over 60. Unlike harsh chemical peels or expensive treatments, baking soda works gently with your skin's natural processes to reveal the healthy, glowing skin underneath. Here's what most people don't understand. After 60, your skin's pH becomes increasingly acidic due to slower cellular turnover and accumulated toxins. This acidic environment makes your skin look dull, creates age spots, and accelerates wrinkle formation. Baking soda naturally neutralizes this excess acidity, restoring your skin's optimal pH balance. When your skin pH is balanced, dead cells shed properly, new cells regenerate faster, and your natural glow returns. How is this different from expensive anti-aging products?
Most commercial products contain acids that strip your skin, forcing it to produce more oil and creating dependency. Baking soda works the opposite way. It gently alkalizes and heals, allowing your skin to function optimally on its own. I've been using baking soda treatments for over 60 years, and people are constantly amazed that my skin looks 20 years younger than my age. The secret isn't genetics. It's this simple, consistent approach to skin pH balance.
Doctor, explain the science behind how baking soda actually reverses skin aging.
When you apply properly prepared baking soda to your skin, several remarkable things happen simultaneously. First, it performs gentle exfoliation, removing dead skin cells that make you look dull and tired. Second, it neutralizes the acidic buildup that accumulates in aging skin. This acidic environment is what creates age spots, uneven tone, and that gray look that many seniors develop. Third, baking soda has natural antibacterial properties that clear clogged pores and prevent the inflammation that accelerates aging. Clean, unclogged pores reflect light better, giving you that coveted, healthy glow.
What about the skin barrier? Isn't baking soda too harsh?
This is the biggest misconception. When used correctly, proper dilution, right timing, appropriate frequency, baking soda actually strengthens your skin barrier by removing irritants and balancing pH. The problems people experience come from using baking soda incorrectly, too concentrated, too frequently, or on dry skin. My methods avoid these mistakes completely. I have patients in their 80s whose skin looks better than people in their 50s simply because they follow my baking soda protocols correctly.
Doctor, this sounds simple, but most of us don't know how to start. Can you walk us through exactly how seniors should use baking soda safely and effectively for younger-looking skin? Let me share my signature 3-step method that has transformed thousands of seniors' skin. Step 1. The gentle alkalizing wash. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda with 8 ounces warm water. This creates the perfect pH balancing solution that's gentle enough for daily use.
Step 2. The weekly deep renewal treatment. Create a paste with 2 tablespoons baking soda and just enough water to form a creamy consistency. This provides deeper exfoliation and age spot fading. Step 3. The monthly intensive glow restoration. Combine baking soda with raw honey and a few drops of lemon juice for the most powerful anti-aging treatment you can do at home. How exactly should seniors apply these treatments? For the daily wash, splash the solution on your face, gently massage for 30 seconds, then rinse thoroughly. Never scrub harshly. Let the baking soda do the work. For weekly treatments, apply the paste to damp skin, leave for 2 to 3 minutes maximum, then rinse. Your skin should feel smooth and look brighter immediately. The monthly intensive treatment should only be done for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinsed completely. Always follow with a gentle moisturizer.
What kind of results can seniors realistically expect?
The results are often dramatic and rapid. Within 7 days of starting the daily alkalizing wash, most people notice their skin looks brighter and feels smoother. After 2 weeks, age spots begin to fade and skin tone becomes more even. The dull gray cast that makes people look older starts disappearing. By 4 weeks, the transformation is remarkable. Fine lines appear softer, skin texture improves significantly, and people start receiving compliments about looking younger and healthier.
Do you have specific patient examples?
Many. Sachiko, 74, came to me with severely sun-damaged skin and deep age spots. After 6 weeks of my baking soda protocol, her age spots had faded by 70% and her skin had a glow she hadn't seen in decades. Here's the real story. One of my patients, James, 68, was embarrassed by his rough, dull skin texture. Within a month of the treatments, his skin became smooth and radiant. His confidence returned, and he started socializing again after years of self-isolation. The psychological transformation is often as dramatic as the physical one. When your skin glows, your confidence soars.
What safety precautions should seniors follow?
Safety is paramount, especially for mature skin. Never use baking soda on broken or severely irritated skin. Always do a patch test on your inner wrist before trying any new treatment. Never exceed the concentrations I've specified. More is not better. Overuse can disrupt your skin barrier and cause irritation that sets back your progress. If you have very sensitive skin, start with half the recommended concentration and increase gradually. Listen to your skin. It will tell you if something is too strong.
Are there conditions where people shouldn't use baking soda?
Yes, if you have active eczema, rosacea flares, or open wounds, wait until these conditions calm down. People on certain medications that thin the skin should consult their doctor first. Also, never use baking soda treatments immediately before or after other exfoliating treatments like retinoids or chemical peels. The goal is gentle, consistent improvement, not aggressive transformation that could damage your skin.
Doctor, you mentioned that this isn't just about skin, it's about confidence. Can you elaborate?
Absolutely. When your skin glows with health and vitality, something profound happens to your entire self-image. You stand taller, make eye contact more readily, and engage with the world differently. I've watched 70 and 80-year-olds transform not just their appearance, but their entire approach to life. They start dating again, traveling, trying new activities, all because they feel good about how they look. Society often makes seniors feel invisible, but glowing, healthy skin commands attention and respect. You're not trying to look 30 again. You're trying to look like the healthiest, most vibrant version of your current age.
That's such an empowering perspective.
It is. Age should bring wisdom and confidence, not self-consciousness and hiding. When you take control of your skin health with simple, effective methods like baking soda treatments, you're reclaiming your right to feel beautiful and confident at any age. Remember,
Confidence is the best accessory you can wear, and healthy, glowing skin is the foundation of that confidence.
That all sounds incredibly doable, doctor. But what if someone wants to take their results to the next level? Are there any advanced tricks or enhancements you recommend?
For seniors who want to maximize their results, here are some advanced techniques I've developed. The steam enhancement method. Before applying baking soda treatments, hold your face over a bowl of warm water with a towel over your head for 2 to 3 minutes. This opens pores and enhances penetration. The oil cleansing boost. Once weekly, massage a small amount of coconut oil into your skin before the baking soda treatment. This provides deep moisturization while the baking soda works. The targeted spot treatment. For stubborn age spots, create a thicker paste and apply only to the spots, leaving on for 5 minutes. This concentrated approach speeds fading significantly.
Any lifestyle factors that enhance the baking soda benefits?
Yes, hydration is crucial. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to support skin renewal from within. Quality sleep allows your skin to repair and regenerate optimally. Also, protect your newly glowing skin with daily sun protection. Baking soda makes your skin more receptive to improvement, but also more vulnerable to damage if not protected.
Let's give our listeners a clear action plan to start seeing results immediately.
Here's your 30-day Glow Restoration Challenge. Week 1. Start with the gentle alkalizing wash every other day. Focus on proper technique and listen to your skin's response. Week 2. Add the weekly deep renewal treatment. Notice improvements in skin texture and brightness. Week 3. Continue daily washes and add the monthly intensive treatment. Age spots should start fading noticeably. Week 4. Full protocol implementation. Document your results with photos. You'll be amazed by the transformation.
What should people track during this challenge?
Keep a simple journal noting skin brightness, texture changes, age spot fading, and, most importantly, how you feel about your appearance. The confidence boost is often the most dramatic change. Take photos in natural light weekly. The visual progress will motivate you to continue and perfect your technique.
Doctor, what's your final message for seniors who want to restore their glow and confidence?
At 102 years old, with skin that surprises everyone I meet, I can tell you that age is no barrier to having healthy, glowing skin. The fountain of youth isn't in expensive creams or surgical procedures. It's in simple, natural methods that work with your body. Baking soda has been my secret for over 60 years, and it can be yours too. Don't let the beauty industry convince you that effective anti-aging requires expensive products. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. Your glow is still there, waiting to be revealed. Your confidence is ready to return. Start today with what you already have in your kitchen and prepare to be amazed by what's possible.
That's incredibly inspiring for anyone who's lost confidence in their appearance. To our listeners on the Senior Strength Show, are you ready to rediscover your glow and reclaim your confidence with this simple baking soda protocol? Remember, beautiful, radiant skin is your birthright at any age. If today's episode inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to the Senior Strength Show, leave us a comment about your results, and share this with a friend who deserves to feel radiant again. We post new health-boosting, age-defying tips every single day, so turn on notifications and join us on this journey to stronger, healthier living after 60. We'll see you next time on the Senior Strength Show, where we continue empowering seniors to look and feel their absolute best.